Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Rocky Gorge Reservoir in Maryland fishing the River RunnerZ Bass Tournament number 6. Let's go.
6 o'clock.
I got a limit.
Last cast,
Yeah.
2 o'clock.
Thank
Go.
That was a big deal. Good luck, everybody.
All right, you too.
After dragging a wobblehead creature bait around for about a half hour, which did really well in pre-fishing, we decided to make a change and try some top water. And we started out with a whopper plopper, and you'll see what happens. It didn't take long to get our first bite. After getting a treble hook tied up in the front of the bow of the kayak, we decided we'd talk to the fish a little bit before attacking this next point. This point looked really good, and we thought, hey, if we fish every area of this point, there should be one on it. So as you can see, we worked the point pretty good. And then after 3 casts covering this point, on the third cast, we hook up on our second fish. Around 8 o'clock, we get our third fish on. And as you notice, we're throwing it up close to shore, but the fish are really attacking it at what we call the color line. And this is the separation between the shallow and the deep water. And still throwing that whopper plopper, and we're feeling pretty good right now. You know, we've got 3 fish in the first 2 hours. So let's keep going. The top water had slowed up, so we started mixing up some different baits and had to start fishing slower. And we started fishing wacky worm, slowing it down, letting it sink down a little bit, twitching it a little bit, and started getting some results. As you can see, the 4th fish is on. It's now getting close to 1 o'clock, and we've been continually fishing the wacky worm and getting a few non-scorables, but we're looking for that 5th keeper fish. So we just missed one, as you could see. So we're going to throw right back in there. A lot of times that works really good. And you'll see our 5th fish is on. This is a good one. This is about 15 3/4, and man, it's a relief to get your 5th fish in the boat. So now we got our limit. Then we can start looking to upgrade.
Fifth keeper, 15 3/4. Don't know where, it might put us up there.
It's getting close to 2 o'clock, lines in, and we haven't been able to upgrade yet, but man, we hook into one right here, and I know this is going to be the one we need. And as you can see, I fight it for a little bit, and it feels big. It feels really big. Once we got this to the boat, we realized it was a catfish. As we're heading back to the ramp, we're unsure where we finished because they turned the leaderboard off with an hour to go. But we are sure of one thing. We had a great day of fishing with the River RunnerZ Bass Club, which always puts on a fantastic event. Our 77 inches was good enough to earn us first place, and I'd like to congratulate all 21 anglers for a great day of fishing on the Rocky Gorge Reservoir. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos.